Now, how does it work when you try to add new licenses for products that you have not previously ordered? So in the top row, you see the annual payment that you're doing in your enterprise enrollment. And for the sake of argument, that annual payment includes 85 licenses of Visual Studio. So in year one, you start using additional license of Visual Studio, and you have to place a true up for it against your agreed price, and you'll pay that for the remaining term. But in your second year, you have a need for a new type of product, for instance, Project Standard, and you want to start using that. You can start using the product, but you need to pay for the product straight away, and you pay a similar price to the true-up price. And again, if you do the same thing in the third year with, for instance, adding SQL Server Standard course, it will work the same way. Pricing is then being taken from the actual then current list price, whereas a true-up price is something that is usually taken into account on your custom price sheet for your enterprise agreement and is pulled from that. So when you negotiate a contract with Microsoft, we always advise that you take a look at your true-up price and negotiate a discount on your true-up price.